Now, how do you decide whether to drop another year or pick whatever you are getting? Now, I think there are two most important questions that must be asked, that you should ask from yourself while taking this decision. The first and the foremost is that, was this your best effort? Was this, the examination that you took, was it your best effort? Yes or no? You know the answer. And second question, irrespective of whether it was your best effort or not, do you feel like, or do you have the courage to again study for next 6-7 months? Are you ready to go through that difficult phase again? And again, when you ask yourself this question, can I again study for 6-7 more months? Can I do that? You'll get that answer yes or no in your own head. So two questions: was it your best effort? Can you again study for 7 months more? Depending upon these two major questions, you should take a decision. If the answer is that it was your best effort and you don't see that you can again sit down and study again for 6-7 months, if this is the answer, then your choice is very simple. Pick up whatever you get in the counseling.